Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, urged the public to support its boycott of Sangai Festival, keeping in mind the plight and suffering of internally displaced persons. In a press release issued by Cocomi IPR Subcommittee Laikhuram Jayanta, the organization criticized the President's rule administration for organizing the festival before bringing a peaceful solution to the present conflict. Cocomi also warned Seven Sister Foundation for preparing to bring international bands and organizing musical concerts at Kumanlampak, urging it to withdraw this preparation, saying that the move is against the sensitivity of IDPs. Furthermore, Cocomi asserted that if other organizations, forums, councils, and institutions, including arts and culture, were found to be part of the upcoming Sangai Festival, the organization will refrain from any support to their causes in the future. Furthermore, Cocomi questioned the organizers if celebration takes precedence over real, unresolved issues of IDPs. The organization also questioned if there can be development in tourism industry without first restoring peace and normalcy in the state, alleging that the present administration is attempting to cover up the ground reality.